So we can see from the problem that a student must get 3 A grades in her A levels, maths, accounts and economics. We can assume that performance in each subject is independent of performance in any other subject. And we can see that she has a 40% chance of not getting an A in maths, a 50% chance of not getting an A in economics, and a 60% chance of not getting an A in accounts. So the first thing we have to do is draw a tree diagram to represent all the possible outcomes of the student's results. The probability of getting an A is 0.6, and therefore the probability of not getting an A is 0.4. In economics, the probability of getting an A is 0.5, and the probability of not getting an A is also 0.5. We repeat this in accounts. The probability of getting an A is 0.4. The probability of not getting an A is 0.6. Now, because the probability of getting a particular grade in each subject is completely independent of what grade was achieved in the other subject, we can repeat this branch 0.4, 0.6 for all the other results in the tree diagram. Now we need to get the probability of a student getting 3 A grades. There is one way of doing this: an A in maths, an A in economics and an A in accounts. We multiply those 3 probabilities together, 0.6 times 0.5 times 0.4, and we get 0.12. Now we need to calculate the probability of getting exactly 1 A grade. In this case, there is more than one possibility: an A in maths, not an A in economics, not an A in accounts, not getting an A in maths, getting an A in economics and not getting an A in accounts, or finally not getting an A in maths, not getting an A in economics and getting an A in accounts. The probabilities in this case are 0.6 times 0.5 times 0.6, etc. We add all these probabilities together and we get a final value of 0.38. Now we need to find the probability of the student not getting an A grade in at least 2 of the 3 subjects. We can look at the possibilities here, and these possibilities include not getting an A in any subject. So the probability of no A grade in 2 or in 3 subjects will be the same as the probability of just 1 A grade, and also the probability of getting no A grades at all. So we now add all these 4 probabilities together and we will get the result 0.5.